Today I'm gonna show you beautiful Valentine composition. I need the Amaryllis. Sometimes we see that their antennas, they're very dirty and we have to take them off. And to clean flowers, I just use the shiny, just to clean like this. To protect the stem, we put some tape. For this composition, I have to cut it. And after that, I take off this part of flower. And what I'm gonna do, first, I have to put water in my vase. With some pearls, and I cut my stem by the cross. Something like this. And now what we do, we put the stems in water and we put flower by this way. Okay, and in the middle of arrangement, I can add a floating candle. And it's a very beautiful gift. Thank you for watching and see you next time.